BESSEY's clutch clamps are an economical way for you to fill out your clamp rack. The spring-loaded clutch plates within the movable arm allow the jaws to be adjusted as needed and then lock on the bar to provide excellent clamping force. This clutch mechanism is similar to that found in BESSEY's heavy-duty I-beam clamps. An advantage to the clutch mechanism is that the arm stays where it's put, but is easily released to be repositioned. These clutch-style clamps are available with throat depths of 2.5 to 5 inches and bar lengths from 6 to 36 inches. There's even a dual head version, which is especially useful for unusual tasks like gluing up gallery rails. The powder-coated ductile cast iron jaws and the nickel-plated drawn steel rail provide these clamps with 600 to 1,200 pounds of clamping force. And they're available with the ergonomic 2K molded handle, which help you to improve your grip and reduce fatigue during your workday. It is said that you can't have too many clamps. And for everyday use, complex glue-ups, and simple repair tasks around the home, these clutch-style clamps from BESSEY, available with the ergonomic 2K handle, will help you equip your shop without breaking the bank.